MET University Rajasthan is offering 59 programs, and all programs are research focused. Each and every faculty of the university is involved in the research, and 500 plus PhD scholars are working with faculty members in the different areas. Starts from the management, law, engineering, biotechnology, microbiology, architecture, fashion, fine arts, liberal arts, media and hospitality. And faculty members are doing research, and definitely they are providing the updated knowledge to the undergraduation and post-graduation students. Since scholars are working in the laboratory, so students are also taking benefit while working with PhD scholars in the university. Our major focus is on industry integration. Industry integration means we are preparing our curriculum with help of domain related industries. So we have industry advisory boards in each and every department. They are calling them to design and develop the curriculum and taking the guidance and insight of the industry to guide students and scholars accordingly. We are also inviting industry experts to teach in the university, and they are taking sometime half or one module in each and every course. We are sending students for industry internship and projects for final semester and sometime in middle of the programs. Then our major focus is on the progression of the students in form of placements, in form of entrepreneurship and in form of higher education at reputed institutions. In the university, we are providing the state-of-art laboratory facility in all domains. MET Institute of Microbiology, we are having BSc Microbiology Honors and MSc in Industrial Microbiology and PhD in different areas. We have research grants from DST, DBT, ICAR, ICMR, Ministry of Food Processing and Ministry of Agriculture. And along with industry, our faculty members and scholars are working. So we are providing state-of-art facility, best-in-class exposure, whether in academics or other developments. We are also having choice-based credit system where students are opting set of courses across the university and taking a minor degree, which is helping in the skill enhancement and definitely in placeability. That is why they are getting best placements in comparison with others. So in MET Institute of Microbial Technology and other institutions of the university, we have the excellent academic environment provided by the faculty members and scholars. As per the suggestion of Industry Advisory Board, we have initiated a new course on bio-entrepreneurship in PG programs and in PhD coursework. It will give results in placements and skill enhancement. So like this, we are incorporating all the suggestions of the industry for the upgradation of our practices and exposure for the students. MET Institute of Microbiology students are working in Nissin Foods, Parle, Vadilal Ice Cream, GSK Pharma, Sun Pharma, Patanjali, Wingreen, Titan Biotech. Our university's one of the best practice is we ensure the progression of the student.